First, connect the power cable to the equipment. Connect the air inlet pipe. Turn on the main power switch. Power light is on. Enter the electronic measuring system. Wait for the signal light to finish flashing. Switch the language. Click User Login. Enter password. Click OK. Click Login. As shown on the screen, loosen the nut fixing the bearing pedestals. Move the jacking module backwards. Fasten the screw nut. Operate as shown on the screen. Plug in the power cord and connect the printer. Plug in a network cable. Power on the printer. Enter the alarm interface. If there is an alarm, you can clear the corresponding alarm according to the interface display. Long press Stop button. Then the alarm can be eliminated.